Headlight, heavy loading, fog light. Anchor light, heavy loading, fog light stop. I gotta replace it. So it's under here. Twist. Open up. There's a fog light. Take the old bulb out. Bulbs are different, but look at the spacing and install. Fits well. You better put it in that hole and twist clockwise.